ako'y lubhang nagtataka dahil patuloy nila itong ginagawang naratibo. At ang purpose lamang nito ay sirain at ibagsak ang imahe ng ating Pangulo. Dahil mismo si dating Pangulong Duterte ang nagsabi na siya ay willing magpa-aresto kapag nandyan ang warrant of arrest. At ito nga po ay aking nakita sa isang news kung saan Philippines Duterte says he will accept arrest if ICC issues warrant. Ito ay may date na March 10, 2025 at itong salaysay na ito ay nakuha pa nung siya ay nasa Hong Kong. So alam niya na magkakaroon ng pagsisilbi ng warrant of arrest. At ito pa ang sinabi niya, and I quote, assuming it's, referring to warrant, assuming it's true, why did I do it? For myself, for my family, for you and your children, and for our nation. If it is truly my fate in life, it's okay. I will accept it. They can arrest me, imprison me. He was not scared of the ICC and told it to hurry up on its investigation. So, papaano nilang masasabing may kidnapping kung mismo ang dating Pangulong Duterte ay handang magpa-aresto kapag ang warrant of arrest ng ICC ay nandyan na?